I'll show you how to change the blades on these Norelco or Remington electric razors. Here you can see on the blade, the micro screen is cut all the way through, and all that's going to do is just grab your face. Sometimes the razors will break. You can save these blades for a later use. I'll clean this one up with a little bit of water. Pull the top off, spin the center hub, pull off the spring hub. Notice the shape of these centers. We'll match up some different cutting heads. Some of the cutters have an ear like this, some are completely round like this. The blade hub is different on these two. Here's a match, but the screen is already burned through. Typically the blades are interchangeable. The blades appear to fit real nice on this one. The old broken blade out. We'll drop in the new blade and screen. We'll keep the blade on this one, but replace the screen. We'll check the screen, make sure that the blade fits in. This one looks like a nice fit. Now the blades and the screens are the proper size. Before we put everything together, we'll sharpen the blades. If the blades are sharp, you'll be able to feel it on your fingernail. This one's pretty dull. Here's a piece of 400 grit sandpaper. Spin it in the direction of the cut. Notice how shiny the edges are. Test to see if it lightly digs into your fingernail. It's feeling sharper, but I'll just continue to go a little bit more. This one's starting to feel a lot better. When I pull out the next one, this one just skates over your fingernail. This one's a lot duller. Do the same thing to this blade. Around 30 times and you can feel this sticks a lot better. Sandpaper works. You can also use sharpening stones, just go in the same direction. If you've got a finer stone, you can hone it on that. If I don't have the stones, this 400 grit sandpaper works. If you don't have the sandpaper or the stones, you can take a piece of glass and some toothpaste and that'll clean them up. A lot of ways to sharpen these. Just keep them flat and going in the direction of the cut. Drop the sharp blades in, reassemble. Now the screens are intact and the blades are sharp. Snap the head back on, turn it on, and give it a try. Works real nice again.